Welcome back to my channel. Hello friends. So like in the previous video, I have showed you like what is the React and what is the version of currently we are using, and basic the fundamentals of basic we saw in the last video, right? So on the now today I'm going to cover it, how to run our application on the browser, and how to create our application, I mean how to create our folder. So today we are going to learn about practically. Okay, so let's just get started without wasting time. So let me open my Visual Studio. Yes, so here as of now I don't have any folder, so I'm going to create one new folders. Let's say nex create react app, and here will be the folder name. Let's say my app, and press enter. After some time here we'll see one folder. Yes, here you can see. Yes, it's still running. Yeah, let him complete. Do not worry about the npx. I'll elaborate about it. Just we need to learn about the how to run our application on the browser. Mm, it's it will take some time, and it depends on the your connectivity, like your internet speed. Let it be. Yeah friends, if you like my video, please do subscribe. And in this series I'm going to cover everything about React, from basics to high level. So be with me and try to learn something. It won't take much time, but yeah. So the command is npx create react hyphen app and your folder name. And now I will also show you what is the difference between npx and npm. Both are the different command. I will cover this will also. Yes, here we go. Everything has been installed. Yeah, yes. So now it's time to run our application. Still running. Let me check. Installing template dependency. Okay. Oh, so here you will see src folder, node modules. I will cover everything. Do not worry. These are not required actually. This folder for images purpose I can. Yeah. So now it's time to run our application. So let's npm start. Oh, we need to actually, currently we are in the wrong directory like react app, but we want to learn our that folder, right? So my app folder. So we need to change our directories. Let me change my directory cd and my app. Now let me try to run our application. Npm start. Yeah, now it has been started after. Yeah, yeah, nice, as we are expecting. So by default it will run on port number 3000. It's taking time. Yeah, now, yeah, so we can change here like now. As of now it is showing something like edit source something we can change. So let me change an html source app.js. Yes, so for example, code with coders, let's say hello world, and let me say, now we can see code with coders and hello world, correct, as we expected. Now I will tell you what is the difference between mm, npx and npm. So do not worry about it. All these things like app.css for here we'll see for common CSS and app.js and many more things are there. Do not worry. I will cover everything in upcoming videos. So first, let me finish this. What is the npx? You guys must be wondering about what is the npx and what is the npm. What are the different packages? So let me go with yes. So what is npx? Npx, as you know, like stands for Node Package Execute. It is simply an npm package, just like a run. It is used for execute our application. That's it. It allows developers to execute any JavaScript package available on the npm registry without even installing it. Npx is installed automatically with the npm. Yes. So what does it say? Like we just install the our application, right, with the help of npx, but it got installed automatically. That node module means npm. So in what happened in the angular, if you want to create a application, so it will not install that node module. For node module we are using npm install. So it's giving a benefit using npx. It install our application as well as that package npm. So what does it mean say? So like as I said, like npm and npx. Npm stands for node package manager, and npx stand for node package executes. So what is npm? Like npm, as I said, like npm stands for package node package manager. It's library and registry for JavaScript software package. Npm also has command line tools to help you install the different packages and manage their dependency. npm is a free and relied on by over 100 million people worldwide. They are using. So the difference in nothing but one package is been for dependency, and one package for using for running our application or packages. Yeah. So that's pretty much we covered in this video, like how to install our application and how to run on the browser.